Guys, I'm back. It's Tanya M. Period. And I'm back with a gifted review from ebonyline.com. They sent me over a wig to review for you guys. This is the Motowntress Luhd.Real. It's a 13x7 HD lace unit, and I got her in the color Goldginger. So y'all see that's the color right there. This is what she looks like. She does have two different textures. She's a really long unit. It comes with like this curly texture or loose curl texture at the top. See, I said there that is long, and this like crimpy wavy style in the back where the ginger mostly or the copper color is. This is the cap construction and comes with the elastic band on the inside. It's not adjustable. 3 combs and the tap adjustables in the back. This is the hairline. It looks really good. I can definitely say that. Compared to a lot of synthetic hairlines, this one is really good, but I still went in and plucked her because that's just my preference. I will say that this is a small cap. I have a small head, I'll say. With my hair, my it's about 21 point something inches, like maybe 22 inches. Or circumference, basically. And I struggle to get this hairline to go past my natural hairline. So I will say, if you have a larger head, do not try this. But if you are one of those people who struggle with larger cap sizes and you're looking for a wig that has a smaller cap size to fit your head more or fit your head better, this is definitely the wig for you. This color is gorgeous. The hair is a silky texture. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck her off camera because that's just really tedious part of installing this wig. And if you want to see a wig plucking tutorial, please visit my TikTok. Link will be in the bio. This is what she looks like after I went in and just plucked her. I did not have to do a lot because, like I said, this hairline was already flawless. But now it's time to go ahead and install this unit. Here I am just adjusting it to my head to see exactly where I want to lay the glue once I go ahead and put my glue on. So I did see that I need to cut my stocking cap. Also, mind you, I did do the ball cap method for this just so my edges were covered and protected from the glue I'm about to put on, especially because this hairline does not go far in front of my natural hairline. Usually I can get away with not doing the ball cap method, but because the hairline is close to my hairline, I have to do that. So that is my ball cap method, and I'm applying the wig now. I'm pressing the lace into the glue, just securing it, and then I will go ahead and just cut that lace off, that extra lace. Once I let that lace sit in the glue for a while with my elastic bands. So you do want to make sure you apply your elastic band after you press the lace in the glue, and make sure to pull the hair up because it will get stuck in that Velcro in the back of the elastic band. So I did let this sit on for a while. I'll probably say about 30 minutes. Took it off, and here we go. I'm just gonna, it's still a little ashy for my liking. I did tint the lace, but I will be taking some foundation and just darkening it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the baby hairs. The link to this wig and Ebony Line, the website and their socials will be in the description box below. Also, my socials and a link to my personal website will be in the description box below, as well as my Amazon storefront. So any of the products I'm using in this video, you can purchase to slay your wigs. So I'm just going ahead and finish laying my baby hairs. I just wanted to add baby hairs with this unit. But she is gorgeous. The lace was really good. I felt like it did melt into my skin very, very well. I love this color. I'm absolutely in love with the blend. I will say that Motowntress has some really, really, really pretty blends. So I definitely gravitate towards them. Even if I'm not like too happy on the style, I will still grab that wig because of the color, and I will customize that wig to my own, okay? It's so easy to customize a wig, and if you want some more tips, you can always visit my TikTok. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, don't forget to click the like button and hit subscribe because you'll see more videos like this as well. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified once I drop new video reviews or wig reviews. Stay tuned for my final thoughts and review. Okay, guys, so I'm back with the final results and my final thoughts on this wig from Motowntress, brought to you by ebonyline.com. Again, thank you, Ebony Line, for sending me over this wig to review for my lovely followers. But yeah, so this wig is called Luhd.Real, and I have her in the color Goldginger. So it has like this orange on the top and then the copper on the bottom. It does look like two different textures. That's the only... But okay, so the two things I can say about this wig is that it's not big head friendly, and I don't really care for the two different textures. I might just go in and recurl it myself, but I didn't want to do that just yet. I wanted to show you guys the wig in real time. I do like the wavy, like tousled look of the hair undercut with the one with the copper on the end. I'm not really feeling like the curl at the top, so that may get changed. Just like throw some layers in there and recurl her. But this is a cute unit. I feel like she's something that you could take and make your own as well. The color is very cute. I love the carrot on the top and the the copper on the bottom. It also has HD lace, or ultra HD. It has the hairline was flawless, but you know I'm extra, so I have to go in and pluck her. But if you're not good at plucking, you don't have to. Like, you can get away with not plucking this unit. And I love that it's a 13 by 7. Like, that's a lot of parting space to work with in the middle. You could do different updos and designs and like braiding designs and whatnot. Yeah, but all the links to this wig will be in the description box below, along with the link to ebonyline.com and their social media. Thanks for watching. Bye.